Good morning, children. Today in our science class, we are going to see the last topic of this unit, types of liver. So in this, you have three types of liver: class 1 liver, class 2 liver, and class 3 liver. Okay, children? Okay, so before going to class 1, the types of liver, we have to know about three things: the load, effort, and fulcrum. This is the main thing to describe, to understand about class 1, class 2, and class 3 liver. So first we'll see what is load. Load, to understand the liver, we must know the following terms. Load is the object on which the force is applied. Okay, so on force is applied on that object only. Okay, so whatever object it may be, so when a work is to be done, the force is applied on that object only. Effort is the force we apply on the lever. Okay, so for example, if we want to cut a paper, okay, we will use scissors, yes or no? So the load will be the paper, okay, that object which we are using, on which the force is applied. And effort, we have to give force, then only it will be cutting the paper. Okay, so fulcrum is the point on which the lever rotates. So it is the what we can say, like a joining place. Okay, so for example, I told you scissors, right? See, look at this scissor. So this is the joining place. Here you will give the effort. So you will keep your fingers inside the holes, and the paper will be kept here. This is the joining place. If it moves only, the paper will be, if you are giving effort to cut the paper, it will be cutting the paper. Okay, that is fulcrum. So lever is classified into three types according to where the load and effort are located with respect to fulcrum. Class 1 lever. When the fulcrum is between the effort and the load, it is known as class 1 lever. For example, scissors. Okay, so the fulcrum is in the middle. Okay, see here, if we want to eat, so load will be in the mouth and the fulcrum will be in the middle, and the effort will be from the back side. Okay, so it is a plier. It has a joining place here, yes or no? So that is fulcrum. Load will be given here and we will give the effort here. Okay, so if the effort is, so fulcrum is between the effort and load, it is called class 1 lever. For example, scissors, plier, seesaw. In seesaw also, so if in middle, you will be having the fulcrum. Okay, so based on that support only, you can play on both the sides. So if the effort load is given at the right hand side, effort will be left hand side. So if the load is this side, and the effort will be this side. Clear? So fulcrum is between effort and load. It is known as class 1 lever. So in class 2 lever, when the load is between, load will be in between, so in the middle, the effort and the fulcrum, it is known as class 2 lever. Example, wheelbarrow, lemon squeezer, nutcracker. See here, this is a lemon squeezer. Load will be in the middle. Fulcrum is on that side. Effort will be given left hand side. Okay. So in this also, wheelbarrow also, effort is given here. load is kept in the middle, wheel is the fulcrum. To move, so it rotates. So based on that only, so the load is moved. Okay, so a load is between the effort and the fulcrum. It is known as class 2 lever. Okay, and the next one is class 3 lever. In this lever, the effort is between the load and the fulcrum. So effort will be in the middle. So easy, look at the stapler. So load will be this side, effort will be given here, and fulcrum is the joining place here. Okay. So which is in between? Effort. Effort is in between. So effort is between the load and the fulcrum. Example, stapler, tongs, broomstick, hockey stick. All these things are examples for class 3 lever. Okay. So here try to answer. They have given to answer, name the load, effort and fulcrum. So you have to write which is load, which is effort and which is fulcrum in all the pictures, and you have to write their names here. This is your homework, children. So we have seen about types of lever. I'll tell you once again. So in class 1 lever, so if the fulcrum is in between load and effort, it is class 1 lever. If load is between fulcrum and effort, that is class 2 lever, and the effort is in between load and fulcrum, it is class 3 lever. Okay, children. So the lesson was over, getting over with this. So you just do this activity as homework, and in the next class we'll see with a new lesson. Okay, thank you.